Go on, say what you need to say about these. But you know what? If it works, it works. Obviously there, try, but tell how many times I've used these. Look at that. Yeah, you saw that in the last video for the render mesh. That went into the side parts here. But yeah, but these guys, this is what I'm going to be doing today. Sticking all these on. Now these are quite tricky, guys, so if you're a plasterer, these do not go on exactly the same as there was a metal corner bead. So these will probably be cut off there, say. Now a normal plastering bead will be cut off there, won't it? Because you just join the corners up, but these you have to have an overhang. But I'll show you that in a minute. Okay guys, so let's get ready to rock and roll. Another thing, guys, if you're doing a job for somebody and they've got like outside sockets, make sure the job looks safe. Yeah, just get all your wires out of the way. The clients love that. Now this needs to be unravelled. The reason why, if it's not unravelled, this will catch fire. Trust me, this kind of stuff catches fire because of the heat running through it. Needs to be unravelled, so it allows the current, etc., just to flow through the lead properly. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing now. There you go, guys. The best thing to do with these guys is make a couple of samples. That one and the one that comes up here, as you can see there, guys. I think it's about 10 mil, roughly about 10 mil there. So that one will need to be cut round about here for that point to marry up to this one, and then vice versa at the bottom. Good practice really, guys. Cut a little bit off, make some samples, and that's make that be a lot more sufficient and neat. Okay guys, and there you have it, folks. Okay, see, 10 mil either way, 10 mil there, 10 mil there, and 10 mil there. And then obviously you'll just mitre them together now, mitre glue, and then obviously just sand that nasty corner down. But setting beads are quite difficult, so do samples first. Obviously I've got the depth for that, but that is the best way forward. The guys, do one, get the longest one in first, and then obviously put a little sample up to it, give yourself a line where you need to mark it, and then cut that off, make the void. And then obviously now I've got that cut there, I'm going to make that finished off into that corner there, and obviously that one's there now for the bottom. And I'll just sit in there nicely now with a bit of mitre tighty, which is